So what are the two factors? So the first factor is ion-ion interaction. So as we have discussed, we have positive and negative ion. If it is closer together, as we have seen, at high concentration all the ions will be closer together, right? So if it is closer together, there will be attraction between the opposite charge ion, right? So if it is attracted, what will be happen? The ions cannot be moved from their place. You know very well, conductance is nothing but because of the movement of ions, which is also independent movement. So both positive ion, negative ion should not be depend together. Because of the independent movement of the ions, we are getting the conductance, right? So if they are attracted like this, it cannot be moved from their place. So because of this ion-ion interaction, molar conductivity will be decreases for high concentration electrolytes, right? So what is, I told that two factors, right? So I have explained here one factor. What is the another factor? So the another factor is solvation. You know very well, there will be an interaction between ions and water. As you know that the solute will be dissolved in water, right? So there will be a interaction or reaction between the water and the ions present. So because of this solvation, there will be a decrease in movement of ions in a solution. So because of these two, right, because of these two factors, the molar conductance will be decreased at high concentration for the strong electrolytes. That you can able to see in the diagram, right? So if the concentration is high, so here we have 0.2 and here we have 0.4. So if the concentration is high, what will be happen? So conductance is very low, right? So when we reduce the concentration, the molar conductivity is increases. At high concentration, molar conductivity is less. If we reduce the concentration, molar conductivity will be increases. Or else we can say, if the dilution increases, which means concentration decreases, right? If the dilution increases, molar conductivity also increases, right? This is for strong electrolytes. Let me see again for the strong electrolytes at a high concentration. So at a high concentration, the ions are closer together, right? The ions, positive and negative ions, will be closer together. If they are closer together, there will be two factors involved. The first factor is ion-ion interaction, which means the interaction between the positive ion and negative ion, right? So because of these interaction, these ion cannot move freely. If it moves freely, it can able to conduct, right? If it is not moving freely, then the conductance will be reduced. Then the another one factor is solvation. So solvation is nothing but there will be a bonding with the water, right? So because of this, viscous will be increased, viscous drag will be increased. So this is also one of the reason for the less molar conductance at high concentration, right? At high concentration, ions are present together, right? Together means very closer together. And because of this, we have two factors, ion-ion interaction and solvation. So because of these two factors, the molar conductance will be decreases. And that we have seen in the graph. So we have seen for strong electrolytes at a high concentration. Now we are going to see for a dilution, which means when we reduce the concentration, which means when we increase the dilution, what happens? Why it is increases, right? So why it is increases? Because when we dilute the solution, what will be happen? The ions are moving far apart, right? The ions are moving far apart. So if they are moving, what will be happen? The attraction between the opposite charged ions will be reduced, right? So here the ions are present closer together. So because of closer together, there will be more attraction. And here when we dilute the solution, if the dilution increases, what will be happen? The ions will be moving far apart. So if they are moving, there will be the less forces of attraction between the positive and the negative ions. If it is less, they can able to move from their place. So because of this less attraction between the positive and negative ion, the molar conductance at low concentration or at a dilution will be increases, right? So that's what we have written here. So the ions are moved far apart. So the interaction between ions will be reduced. And so the molar conductance increased, right?